Good morning, everyone. Well, with an area of low pressure over us right now, a cold front working over us this afternoon, and then another cold front working over us tonight, the rain is going to continue and we're going to get some cooler temperatures as well. So let's break all this down, starting with the morning commute today. Here we are at 8 a.m. and looks like a good chance of rain. At the very least, pretty good chance you're going to encounter some light rain, still some pockets of heavier rain out there, a couple of thunderstorms. So probably going to be a slower go than usual. Not a bad idea to give yourself a couple extra minutes to get to work or school. And really, it looks like a pretty wet morning in general. But when we jump ahead to lunchtime, it looks like we might be catching a little bit of a break. An area of low pressure pushing off to the east before the next cold front works in. So a little bit of a break around noon today. And so this is probably going to be our high temperatures for the day. Largely topping out in the mid-60s. May not feel quite that warm, though, because it is going to get windy this afternoon with gusts around 35 miles per hour. So the cold front looks to be right over us, right around 3 o'clock. So that's our next best chance of rain. Mostly showers with this front. Could be a couple thunderstorms, no severe storms, though. And notice how our temperature's coming down once the front gets here and behind it and staying windy. Now, good news for the homebound commute. I do think it's going to be better than the morning commute today. Now, I can't guarantee it's going to be dry. I still think on the back side of this front, though, it's going to be clear of us by 5 o'clock. There's still going to be a little bit of activity, particularly in the eastern part of the region. But, for example, if you're just going to be driving from Chicago to Lake County, I think there's a really good shot that it's going to be a dry drive for you, which will be good after all the rain that we've been dealing with lately. But we're not done with the rain chance just yet, because we have another cold front that's going to be working in. Now, this one looks to be right over us. Right now, it looks like about 11:30 tonight. So it does look like the early evening hours are going to be dry, but late this evening, rain will be coming in. Looks like it's going to peak around 11:30. I think it's just going to be showers with this round, and there may be more breaks than what the model's indicating here. I'm not completely sold that it's going to be this widespread area of rain with this front, but we'll definitely mention the chance for scattered showers along the front. Fortunately, it will clear us during the overnight hours, and I don't think there's going to be much for the morning commute tomorrow. It's certainly going to be drier than the morning commute today. I have to mention the chance for a couple of stray showers, but I do think most of us are going to have a dry drive to work tomorrow morning. Temperatures. We've been colder than this. It doesn't seem too bad with temperatures in the low to mid 40s, but we are not going to be warming up much tomorrow. And that's because there's still going to be some lingering cloud cover, and the rain chance not completely going away. What we're going to be dealing with is this broad, weak area of low pressure that's going to keep some small rain chances around and keep some cloud cover around, and certainly this chilly air mass that will settle in behind cold front number 2, not allowing us to warm up very much. I think at best we're going to reach the mid-50s tomorrow, and could some get stuck in the low 50s? That is a possibility. And to make it feel even cooler, it's going to be just as windy tomorrow as today. Gusts around 35 miles per hour. Again, I've got to mention the chance for some stray showers throughout the day. If there's going to be a best chance of rain, it's probably going to be in the mid to late afternoon. I don't think it's ever going to be much, but we'll talk about a little bit of an increase. We'll mention the chance for isolated showers, which includes the homebound commute tomorrow. So chance for a few showers, but more likely you will not encounter any rain driving home from work.